What's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. I got a big surprise. Yeah, a big surprise. And I got my best friend over here.
Yes, sir. So stay tuned, subscribe, make sure you press that button. Yo, it's free. Come on, man. Boop, 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 boop.
Yeah, man. we just want you guys to comment, man. It makes us happy, you know? So first, we're gonna get some bacon, egg, and cheese.
Gotta go to the deli and get the egg, bacon, cheese, yo. You know what I'm saying? Con ketchup, ya tú sabes, yo. Can't forget about the bacon, extra bacon, con quesito ahí. Or we go to the Spanish restaurant and go get a mofonguito. Or tres golpe.
Tres golpe would be nice.
Hell yeah.
Okay. We're gonna get some breakfast and...
Yep. To be continued, man.
Yeah, to be continued. We're gonna talk about more about the surprise. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Yeah, boy. Yeah. All right, guys. Now we almost there. We like how many minutes?
22 minutes.
22 minutes. Let me press it. Come on, let's go. Let's do this. How you like the ride?
Getting sleepy.
Sleepy?
And I gotta ride back.
How many hours that we spent driving? 2 hours?
2 hours, yeah. 2 hours and 30 minutes.
We're really grinding through gears. Oh, he got a story, I bet.
Shit. I went to McDonald's to go eat and parked my car at the McDonald's garage. On parking lot. And once I finished eating, I'm like, where the fuck is my car at? I see it lift up in a damn tow truck. For no reason. Dude said, oh, if you want me to drop it, you gotta give me 200. I'm like, oh, it's like that? Oh, está bien. Yo, tío, undercover. Ven pa' acá porque este tipo me está jodiendo, quiere $200. And he got my car in his tow for no reason. He got arrested, got my car. Y ya.
That's what happened.
Yeah. That's it, ¿qué pasó? What's yours?
You know when you go pump the gas, when you go to the gas station and you're gonna pump your gas, right? Normal day, but this one person just comes up to you and be like, yo, my boy, you got $1? You got $1? Yo, I can pump your gas. I can pump your gas for you. Chill, got you. Chill. Thank you. I can pump my own gas. Thank you. You know, this is every day. I mean, where I live at, you know, I'm in the Bronx. I always trying to pump my gas. Though. It's like they like ninjas, bro. You just come out of nowhere. You boom. Yo, you got some spare change? I was like, come on, bro. Really?
They just come out of the left field.
Yeah, I just want to pump my own gas. Come on. That really grind my attention.
Remember what I did? What you was right behind me, and I did that Tokyo drift, which actually wasn't a Tokyo drift, and I hit like 4 cars.
I mean, that's not a grind my gear.
Nah, it's not really, but it's kind of funny.
But
I gassed you up thinking that I was actually really drifting professionally.
listen, a couple of years back, he got his first car. This is a story. True story. What exit? I don't want to skip an exit.
Keep going.
What exit? 31?
Exit 33.
So, anyways. James got his first car.
Jeez.
Driving in the snowy weather.
It was a Spider, right?
He's got a Spider. Mitsubishi Spider.
Yeah, Spider.
Not the convertible one, but the whole full hard top. So it was snowing, and you know when it snows overnight, the floor gets a little slippery.
I see.
the black ice.
Mm-hmm.
So he got his girl. I think the girl got the brother.
Sin cinturón, without no belt.
Without no belt, but hey, that's on. You know, that's really. You know, that's on you, man.
This dude's like a pinball. Oh well, that's his problem.
Seatbelt first, bro. Seatbelt first. Don't be a hero. Don't you be a hero. Anyways, so long story short, was driving with his girl.
I was
Took
going.
a turn.
I was doing like a curve. It was like a curved street.
Yeah, it was a curve, like a S. It's like a S alley.
Yeah.
Call those. Driving. We was just looking at him. Yo, what James doing? Yo, is he drifting? Like he just sliding?
They just
But
saw.
he's like, it looks like he's really doing a drift.
They just saw me going sideways in slow motion, and very professionally onto it. Just getting closer towards a parked car, and hit the first car, did a 360, and then hit the second car, did another 360, and I actually hit 4 cars, and my car was just spinning like a damn pinball until I hit a brick wall. The whole front of the car was flat like a pancake. Made it out alive with no scratch, no nothing. When I got out the car, got to see the front, and I was like, my baby. And then, yeah, end up breaking up with my girl. Coming up pretty soon, we gotta get there, guys. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, and you will end up seeing the surprise. Bye. Oh, crap.
So, what's up?
Long ass ride.
Long ass ride.
Tired.
Yo, I like that Milwaukee jacket, bro.
Thank you. My best friend gave it to me.
This guy. So, what's up, man?
going on?
How you doing?
Good.
Yo, it's been a while. I haven't
has
seen you in ages, man.
It has been.
So, let me tell you about this guy. They're cousins. So, this guy, he bought his Civic because of me, right? So,
It wasn't a choice.
It wasn't a choice.
He picked me up from my job and said, we're not going home until you get a Civic.
Really?
Yep. Yeah, we drove all the way with Long Island, from the city to Long Island, picked it up,
I didn't know this.
drove it back. Crazy, we raced it back. And,
We raced it back.
It was nice, yeah.
We're legends.
We even had a plate? I don't think
No,
we
yeah,
did.
we
had-
do.
Oh, we did?
Danny's plate.
Oh, that's right.
Remember, Danny was with us.
You drove it, yeah.
It's crazy. But yeah, this is Carlos,
What's going on?
my best friend that from ages that we haven't seen each other. Well, how many years is that?
It's been 20, right?
20.
Like 20,
Damn.
a little over 20.
Over 20,
20?
really? You've
Around
been
there.
counting?
Somewhere around there.
Longer than that.
Probably.
Dude, that's a long time.
Yeah.
We
Somewhere
old.
around there. It's around 20.
But-
I know you since he was like 16 or 15.
Yeah, we're like 15s, 16s, right? Something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, it's making it
I think so. I think 16s.
I knew you, but I didn't know you.
Because I was hanging out with this guy.
Hanging out with that guy.
But
And
then,
we met.
then we
when
met.
He was like, hey, do you have your first car?
Yeah, when I had my
first-
my Honda Accord.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Batman.
And then he's
Called
like
Batman.
over here, like, yo, he wanna mess with me. Like, yo, let's beat this guy up, bro. I don't like this dude, right? I know you. I saw you. No, I never joke. All right, so I don't want to show the people about this project that I told them that I'm not gonna show you. I'm not gonna show these guys about the plan that I'm gonna do with this car, right? And I picked this car because one reason. Well, two reasons. First, I built the car from ground up. And, huh?
A lot of hard work. I remember that.
A lot of hard work. And then I parked the car in my neighborhood. And it's gone. Just like that. 1 second. Bloop.
1 second. The day we finally completed the project after a few years, the one day we took it out, parked on the street, next day it was gone.
Yeah. This is in the Bronx. Hello.
It's my son right there.
So,
Coming out with PJs.
it's PJs. Hey, you got... How many sons you got,
I
man?
got 3 kids.
I'm like, what's going on? Hey, what's up, bud?
James, Cardi.
What's up? What's up?
How much?
All right. Wow, they all grown up. Wow.
So, it's been that long.
It's been that long.
Well, so when he was a baby.
I'm a lost uncle. I'm sorry. I mean, I'm in the other world, the other half of the world, so I couldn't come over here as much.
But we bringing it back.
We're bringing it back. So the second reason why I buy this car, because my mother supported me. Not as money, just supported me as my hobby. And she really into this kind of stuff. I didn't know. I did not know that. It's crazy. She was happy. She was like into it. Yo, when you gonna put wheels, yo? Like she been, cracking jokes on me because I've been having Steelies for so long. And then she surprised me, with harnesses, the wire harness, and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys the project. Enough talking. E.G. Bubble.
Who goes there?
What's up? How you doing? Long time no see. Right now, we're gonna do is the same thing what we started. Ground up. We have to tear this car apart, right? You're gonna help me out also, and we're gonna finish your car too.
Oh yeah.
At the same time.
Back.
At the same time.
Like the old days.
Like the old days. The plan is K-Series, K24. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do all-wheel drive. Let's see. Who knows? It looked like a hoopty. Yeah, it has some damages. It got some damages. I'm gonna take it to the body shop. I'm gonna let the body shop do their work. I want to be nice and mint again. Right? Yeah. But what you think? What's your thoughts?
It's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be work.
Work, yes.
It's gonna be work, but it's gonna be fun though.
Look at that damage right there. It's crazy. All that. Oh, you didn't see nothing, guys. Hold on, let me show you something. Nasty. This car been abandoned for 4 years, neglected. And this right here, look at this. It's crazy, right? The same thing on the other side. This has a dent there, but yeah, we back at it again. We're gonna make sure I finish this project. See, all this is gonna be fixed. Don't worry, guys. Don't sleep on it. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Please leave us a like, subscribe, and share this. It's gonna be different. Yo, we turned the car on. Yo, what you think, man?
It's a start. It's a start. It's good news. Change the clutch.
Why so fast?
Is it AC on?
See.
Look at my man, Fred. Got his baby out. It's working. It's alive. There you go. Go straight, wait. Go that way. Yep. She got your headlights. You gotta move it. There you go.